Yo.
Yo.
Yo, yeah, I'm about to get on right now. Wait, on me. Let's go. Clutch.
Let's go. Another
Clutch.
win.
Pass the ball. Pass the ball. I'm
Wait.
open.
Wait, just hold on.
Come on, man. You selling me.
My fault, bro. My fault.
All right. Okay. Next time, just guard your man.
All right, bet.
Come on, guard him.
Bro, don't you see me trying?
Okay.
Come on, man. You need to switch.
Listen,
You're trash.
listen. The only reason why I lost is because
Yeah.
the teammates.
Excuses. Y'all
I
lost,
didn't
bro.
even lose because of me. I was guarding my man.
Bro, it don't
my man
matter,
didn't even
because
score.
you know when
Your man scored.
set the screen,
16.
switch, bro. That's why I don't like playing with you.
Okay. But guess what?
Yeah, you're getting muted, buddy.
Hello?
You home?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay, well, I'm gonna be home soon, okay? I'm just making sure that you took out that chicken like I told you.
I did take the chicken out.
Okay, well, that's good, because, I've been working for like 7-8 hours, so that's good. I'm gonna be back.
Wait. Oh, shit. Hello?
You took that chicken out?
Yeah. I've been taking
Okay,
out
well,
chicken.
I'm gonna be in right now. I'm in the car right now.
All right.